If you are looking for how to insert degree symbol in PowerPoint, then don't skip this video. Here you can see that I have inserted degree symbol over here. So how you can do that? Let the right, for example, 20 and select it. Make it bigger and click on the right side, and on the above click on the insert and go to the symbol, and the font is normal text, and on the right side it is the subject basic Latin, and find over here degree symbol, and here is the degree symbol. You just need to select it and click insert and just close it, and here you can see that degree symbol is inserted. So another way is that, for example, 30, and you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0176 and release the Alt key, and make sure your num block is should be on. So in this way you can easily insert degree symbol in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.